Good morning, this is Giuseppe Basili. I'm the analyst and trader you can find at the blog FibonacciStalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @FibStalker nickname. Good morning, today is Wednesday, January the 16th, 2013, and it's 30 past 12 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. In this brief video, I'm going to review the Euro dollar FX futures, and I will also review quickly the dollar index on the 4-hour chart and the S&P500 on the daily chart. So let's start on this one. Those who follow me know that we have been looking for a support in the last few weeks in the euro, and the support came at the 126.80 area on the new contract. What you see on the screen is the daily chart of the euro FX continuous contract aligned to the March 2013 expiration. We identified this 126.80, and we know that this setup long as a target in the 134.30-35 area, and sorry, and we had this measured move higher in the 129.10 with a target in 32.50 area, and then this anchor traded again recently in the 130 area, and it's bringing price into the 134.35. I want to focus a little bit on the support that we are showing today, and this support is traced. It's an extension that is traced from the 131.50 area. And as we can see, the 132.80 acted as a support yesterday and again in the morning. So if we see price moving above the 133.60 level here, this will be a confirmation of this area of support. So this area of support is going to bring, so it's very important to monitor the 133.60 level here. So where it's bringing price, this support level, let's give a look to it. So just let me move the scale here, and I want to study with you where we could see price moving. So as you can see, as you remember, we have this 134.35 level of profit taking here, but we also have this 135.10 area of resistance. So if we look at the 32.80 area of support and long setup, we have a first target which is 134.70, and just remember that this target is aligned quite closely with the other level of support we have on the daily in the 130 area, and actually they line up. So when this kind of things happen, so profit taking levels line up, that's a strongest that's a stronger indication that the setup could be valid. So we are going to see price into 134.70, so above this 134.35 very probably, if price moves above 133.60. And as you will remember, I said that this level 135.10 level is going to act as a resistance, so we will see profit taking there, but price should then continue higher into the second target 135.70 because this is an extension, and in extensions second targets are quite often hit. Now I want to show you something, that if we actually get to 135.70 area, then we will have this next measured move, and we will have support in the 135. bringing price into that 136.70. Now you remember that this is one of the levels I've indicated in my long-term, intermediate-term plan for the euro. So please go and watch again my midweek update I've sent to subscribers on the January the 10th, because this is going to be a very important level, 136.70. But for now, we are going to monitor if this level of resistance holds as I anticipate, and we will see. We should see pricing to 134.70 and then 135.10. Want to quickly review the dollar index here, the 4-hour chart. And I actually 24-hour minutes here, because I want to show you the corresponding level of resistance that we have on the dollar. The dollar, as we know, the dollar index, as we know, moves in the opposite direction of the euro, and we have the 79.90 area here acting as resistance. Now I want to show you the opposing sequence of measure move here, and we have this first move here on the long side at 79.60 area that hit the first target 79.80, and then the second target to the pip 79.90 for to the pip. So the next long setup in the sequence failed, however, as we can see here, because price came below the 79.80 level here. So according to rules, now we are going to test the all the way alpha way back here, and that's where we are at the moment. So this is providing support. If we move below 79.60, then the euro will move above that 133.60 level I've indicated. So at the moment the dollar is showing support accordingly to our long scenario in the euro. Finally, I just want to quickly review the S&P500 here for you, because we could actually have support here as well. And as you know, the dollar, the euro dollar cross and the S&P500 move together. So we had this move higher in 1390 area, and this hit target at 1472. Actually we printed 71.50, that was the high. But at the moment we are actually trading since yesterday traditional long here, with the 1455 level as the stop level and failure level, and the 1458.59 offering support here. So if we do not trade below 1455 here, we could keep moving higher, and this would be compatible with the scenario we have in the euro, and we could then see 1477.50, 77 trade here. I hope this update is useful and it's interesting. I think we are going to keep moving higher here, but if we move below 132.48 here in the euro, then we might get a larger retracement. This larger retracement could come right at the 20-day moving average in the 132.10 area. I hope this video is interesting, and I look forward to see you on my blog. If you have any comments, just tweet me on @FibStalker. Thank you very much for your attention, and have a great day. Bye bye.